First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 59 for grade 1 mathematics. What we are studying, we are actually learning multiplication, and we learned the multiplication of table of 2 yesterday. So I would like to hear from you some of the questions. Yes, 5 times 2 is equals to what? Can you tell me, guys? 5 times 2 is equals to what? 10. 10. Very good, very good, very good. There is 10, okay? Or if I ask you 3 times 2 is equals to what? 3 times 2 equals to what? Six. Very good. 6. Okay. If I ask you 4 times 2 is equals to what? There. 4 times 2 is equals to what? Eight. Very good, very good. Okay, if I ask you 8 times 2 is equals to what? Yes. 8 times 2 is equals to 16. All right, guys. Now you know the table of 2. Okay. All right. Now we will start multiplication table of 5. Okay. I need to mute all of you. All right. So multiplying by 5, you can see here example, guys. There are 3 dices, and on every dice there are 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are 3 dices. So I can say there are 3 groups of 5. 3 groups of 5 means I can add 5 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5. This means 5 plus 5 10, and 10 plus 5 15. Or I can multiply 3 by 5. That will also give me 15. So let's look at this example. We have seen that 3 multiplied by 5 will give us 15. Even you can check from the figure also, if you want to count all the dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, there were 3 groups of 5. Let's see when we multiply 5 by another numbers, so what we get. I need to erase this all right. Now look here, there is one hand. In one hand, how many fingers are there? Let me count it for you. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So how many fingers are there in one hand, guys? Yes, how many fingers are there in one hand? 5. There are 5 fingers. Okay, there are 5 fingers in one hand. All right. Now this is 5 plus 0. Why? Because this is one hand. There is only one group of 5. There is only one group of 5. One group of 5, that's mean I can write 5 plus 0. Or in multiplication, I can write 5 multiplied by 1 will give me 5. Or 1 times 5 is equal to 5. Coming down, look here in the second one. How many hands are there? 1 and 2. There are 2 hands. And in every hand, there are 5 fingers. In every hand, there are 5 fingers. So how many fingers are there? For that, I can say there are 2 groups of 5. Two groups of 5 means I can add 5 two times. There are two groups of 5. So I will add 5 two times. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Okay. Or I can multiply 5 by 2 because there are two groups of 5. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10, or 5 multiplied by 2 is also equals to 10. Coming to the next, how many hands are there in this one? You have to tell me. Yes, guys. How many hands are there? How many hands are there? Three. Very good. There are three hands. In one hand, how many fingers are there?
15.
Guys, you have to listen my question carefully. I am asking, in one hand, how many fingers are there? In one hand. In one hand.
5.
Very good. There are five fingers in one hand, and there are three hands. That means there are three groups of 5. So I should add 5 how many times? How many times I should add 5?
3.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. I should add 5 three times. So I will write 5 plus 5 plus 5. I add 5 three times. This is 5 plus 5, 10. And 10 plus 5 equals to 15. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 15. Now we'll check the next figure. How many hands are there? You have to tell me. Yes, can you tell me how many hands are there? Yes. 4. Very good. This is 5 plus 5 plus, there are 4 hands. So every hand has 5 fingers. So in 4 hands, there will be how many fingers? For that, I will add 5 4 times. I will add 5 4 times. Whose mic is open? Okay, let me write it. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 15, and that was 5 multiplied by 3. That means 5 3 times equals to 15. Now there are 4 hands, and every hand is having 4 fingers. So there are 4 groups of 5. So I will add 5 4 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 time. Now I will add 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 10 plus 5 equals to 15, and 15 plus 5 equals to 20. Or I can also write 5 4 times equals to 20. Guys, remember, in the table of 5, either you have 0 ones or 5 ones. Whenever you multiply any number by 5, so you will have the last digit, the ones digit, either 0 or 5. Look here, 5 multiplied by 1, 5. Here the last digit is 5. Ones digit is 5. 5 multiplied by 2, 10. Here the last digit is 0. 5 multiplied by 3 is having the last digit or the ones digit 5, whereas 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. It is also having the last digit or the ones digit 0. Right? So this is 20. 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. Now 5, we have to check this figure. How many hands are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 hands, and every hand is having 5 fingers. Every hand is having 5 fingers. If I ask you how many total fingers are there, so you check how many groups are there. Group of fives are there. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 groups of 5. That's mean for that you can add 5 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and 5 time. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. And 20 plus 5, 25. Or you can say 5 into 5 is also equals to 25. Right? If I write a table here for you, 5 1 times will give you what? 5. Now you have to tell me. 2 times of 5 is equals to what? Yes, guys. 2 times of 5. 10. Very good. And now 3 times of 5 is equals to what? 3 times of 6 is equals to what? 15. Very good. 3 times of 5 is equals to 15. Very good. Okay, 4 times of 5 is equals to what? This is the question. 4 times of 5 is equals to what? 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. Very good. Okay, if I ask you 5 times is equals to what? 5 times is equals to what? Yes. 25. Very good. 5 times is equals to 25. 5 times 5 is equals to 25. So this is the table we have learnt up to 5. This was on page number 66. Now I'm going to turn the page, and I am now on page number 67. Now again I will look the hands. How many hands are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 hands. How many hands are there? Yes? 6. Very good. And tell me how many fingers are there in one hand? 5. So there are 6 groups of 5. So I will add 5 6 times. There are 6 groups of 5. I will add 5 6 times. So I will write here 5. This means 5 plus 5, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 6 times. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. 10 plus 5 equals to 15. 15 plus 5 equals to 20. 20 plus 5 equals to 25. And 25 plus 5 equals to 30. So 5 multiplied by 6 equals to 30. Now you have to tell me how many hands are there in this. Count and tell me how many hands are there. Yes, guys, how many hands are there? 7. Very good. Very good. The answer is 7. So 5 groups of, there are 7 groups of 5 because every hand has 5 fingers and there are 7 hands. So I will write here 5 multiplied by, I will add 5 7 times because there are 7 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Or 25 plus 5, 30. Or 30 plus 5, 35. So this is now 35. Or I can also multiply 5 directly by 7. So 5 is multiplied by 7 equals to 35. So guys, you can see when it comes to the bigger number, it is very difficult to add. You have to add here 5 7 times. 5, 5, 5, 5 and so on. If you know the table, directly you multiply 5 by 7. There are 7 hands and every hand has 5 fingers, total fingers 35. But if you don't know the table, you will add it 7 times. Add 7 5 times. Add 5, sorry, 7 times. Now, we have done with the 7. Now you have to tell me about this. Here, how many hands are there? Yes, guys, tell me how many hands are there?
9.
How 9? Guys, how 9? Look here.
7.
Students, you are saying 9. How 9? I show you. Count with me. Look here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there are 8 hands, not 9. How many hands are there? Yes. How many hands are there?
8.
And every hand has 5 fingers. So I will add 5 how many times? 8 times. 8 times because there are 8 groups. So I will add 5 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I have to add it. The bigger number, the more the big number, so we will face difficulty in addition. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. And 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 5, 40. So this is now 40. Or I can also directly multiply 5 by 8 as there are 8 groups of 5. So this will be also 40. Now you have to tell me how many hands are there. Yes, guys, how many hands are there?
9.
There are 9 hands. Okay, so I will add 5 9 times because there are 9 hands, there are 9 groups of 5. So I will add 5 here 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And that will be equals to 45. How? I show you. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 5, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. Okay, so these are total 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Or you can multiply 5 by 9. That will be also equals to 45. Coming to the next. There are dash hands. How many hands are there in the last one? Yes. Don't make a noise, guys. Yes, I know the answer is 10. Once you given the answer, once you tell the answer, then let other students speak. Let other students answer. So there are 10 hands and every student has 5 fingers. So in order to find out how many total fingers, what you will do, you will add either 5 10 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, or you can multiply 5 directly by 10. In both way, you will find same answer, that will be 50. If you add 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and then 50. So now you can complete the table of 5 here. 5 multiplied by 5, 5 into 6, 5 6 times equals to 30. 5 7 times equals to 35. 5 8 times equals to 40. 5 9 times equals to 45. And 5 10 times equals to 50. So you must have observed, guys, as I told you, whenever you multiply any number by 5, so its last digit will be either 0 or 5. The digit on the ones place will be either 0 or 5. Look, this is 5. Last digit, this is 0. Here on the ones place 5. This is 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, and 0. So you have to learn the table of 2 and the table of 5. Now I will practice with some of you from the table of 2 and table of 5. Okay. Yusuf. Can you hear me, Yusuf? Yes, Yusuf. The question is from you. 7 times 2 is equals to what? 7 times 2 is equals to what?
14.
14. Very good, very good, very good. Suleiman Alugeli.
Yes.
4 times 2 is equals to what?
Sorry. What?
4 times 2 is equals to what?
8.
Very good, very good, very good.
Thank you.
Abdul Muid.
Yes, sir.
Abdul Muid, 6 times 2 is equals to what?
12.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay. Ryan. Guys, raise your hand if you want to participate.
Yes, sir.
8 times 2 is equals to what? 8 times 2 is equals to what?
8 times 2.
8 times 2 is equals to
60.
16. Very good. You can look at the table here, okay? This is 8 times 2. This is 2. How many times? 8 times. Okay.
2 times 8 equals 16.
Very good. Okay. Umar Nizar.
Yes, sir.
3 times 2 is equals to what?
What?
3 times 2 is equals to what? 3 times 2 is equals to what? This is 1
13.
time, 2 time, 3 time.
13.
This is 3 time.
13.
This is 3 time 2 is equals to what?
13.
6. Okay. This is 3 times 2. Look here. 3 times 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Okay. All right. Hatim Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me 4 times 5 is equals to what? 4 times 5 is equals to what?
4 times 5.
Yes.
Um, 14.
This is 4 times 5. Look here. 4 times 5 is equals to what?
20.
20. Okay. All right. Ahmad Al Wadi.
Yes, sir.
3 times 5 is equals to what?
15.
Don't take help from your parents. You have to answer by yourself. You can look on the screen also. This is 3 times 5. Okay. 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Muhammad Ma'moon. Muhammad Ma'moon.
Yes, sir.
7 times 5 is equals to what? 7 times 5 is equals to what? 7 times 5. Look here, where is 7? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. 7 times 5 is equals to what?
75.
Okay. Try to answer by yourself, guys. Omar Mohsin.
Yes, sir.
4 times 5 is equals to what?
20.
Very good. Very good. Rashid Ahmed.
Yes.
Rashid
Yes.
Ahmed. 6 times 5 is equals to what? Look here, 6 times.
Oh my God.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 is equals to what?
30.
30. Okay. No problem if you don't know table right now, but you have to practice at your home. So guys, thank you so much. And you have to learn the table. You have to practice the table of 2 and 5. Inshallah, we'll do to table of 10 tomorrow, and we'll do some exercise also. We'll do some practice also. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next class. Those who missed the beginning class, no problem. I will upload the lecture. I will upload this the recorded lecture on Classera. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye
Bye,
bye.